Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable direct messages notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. With this new update, you'll never miss an important message again. Let's dive right in. First, open your X account by navigating to the website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're on your home page, look to the left side menu for a little more control. Next, click on More. This will expand a list of additional options. Select Settings and Privacy from this list to access your account settings. Now, you're at the heart of your account management. Click on Notifications to explore your notification preferences. Under Notifications, find and click on Preferences, then go to Push Notifications. This section allows you to adjust how you receive alerts. Now comes the critical step. Look for the option labeled Direct Messages. Check the box next to it to enable notifications specifically for your DMs. This way, you'll be instantly notified when someone reaches out to you. Finally, don't forget to click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This will ensure that all your new notification preferences are properly updated. And there you go. You've successfully enabled direct messages notifications on X. Now, you'll stay connected and never miss a crucial message. Thanks for watching.